Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Adhamiza bin Sugri, metric number 1069. Today I'm going to show how to solve Rubik Cube. Okay, so here is the first step. You need to make a white cross. The white cross need to be the same color with the side centerpiece. So this is the white cross. Now the second step, you need to arrange the white corner piece to finish the first face. Yeah, so this is the first face. Now the third step, you need to complete the first two layers beside the white. You need to make all the colors same. Okay, now it's done. Here how it is look. Now the fourth step, make a yellow cross. This step you just need to repeat the same step if you don't get it. Okay, now it's done, the yellow cross. Okay, now the fifth step, you need to match the colors of the side centerpiece of the yellow. Okay, now it's done. It's very easy. Okay, the sixth step, get the yellow corners to the right spot. It means that if the color is green, orange and yellow, so the corner need to be green, orange and yellow, and not other colors like blue, white or something else. Okay, now it's done. Okay, the last step, iron the yellow corners to finish the puzzle. This step is very easy. You just need to repeat it until you solve the Rubik cube. Okay, now the Rubik cubes have been solved. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.